1. No bean indicator. Light on. Lack of beans. The coffee bean hopper is empty. After adding coffee beans, run a brewing or grinding cycle. The indicator will turn off automatically. Flashing. Please make sure the grinder lid, service door, and residue container are in proper position. Reinstall and secure all parts correctly. 2. No water indicator. Flashing. The water tank is empty or low. Refill the water tank with fresh drinking water. 3. Warning indicator. Light on. Please make sure the brewer or residue container is in proper position. 4. Clean brewer indicator. Light on. The brewer unit is dirty. Please remove and clean the brewer thoroughly. 5. Clear dregs prompt. The residue container is full or uncleared. Empty and clean the dregs container to reset the prompt. 6. No milk foam output. Little or no milk foam is produced during milk dispensing, which is usually caused by a clogged milk frother nozzle. Please remove the milk frother and take out the metal nozzle ring. Use the cleaning pin to clear the nozzle hole thoroughly. Rinse all parts with clean water. Then reassemble the parts. Note: if you're using a taller cup, you can adjust the brew head up or down to fit the cup height. You deserve a better experience.